Well, hello again. We are popping on here today to read Little Bear Needs Glasses. This is by Christine Faust and Bernd Penners. And it even came with stickers. Ooh, put those on later. Little Bear's friends are worried. Little Bear can't see very well. Sometimes he makes mistakes. Sometimes he trips and falls. Little Bear needs glasses. Try mine, says Dog. Thank you, says Little Bear. Little Bear needs glasses, but dogs are not quite right. Little Bear still can't see very well. Try mine, says Mouse. Thank you, says Little Bear. Little Bear needs glasses, but Mouse's are not quite right. Little Bear still cannot see very well. There he is borrowing Mouse's glasses. She doesn't like having to showing the pictures. She wants to look herself. Try mine, says Cow. Thank you, says Little Bear. Little Bear needs glasses, but cows are not quite right. Little Bear still can't see very well. Yeah? Here, you hold the book. Try mine, says Pig. Thank you, says Little Bear. Little Bear needs glasses, but pigs are not quite right. Little Bear still can't see very well. Can we show them? The pig's got a nice little necklace. Little Bear needs glasses of his very own. Glasses just for him. Ooh, look at all those different kinds of glasses you can choose from, huh? All right, Ryanne. She just wants to lay down. It's bedtime. Little Bear's glasses are just right. He can see very well, and so can all his friends. Look it. Now I can all see. Yay! Thanks for tuning in. That was Little Bear Needs Glasses. Good job showing them the cover again, Ryan. Good night.